Hi, welcome to Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 recipes. And I'm going to have these in 3 different videos, so it's not a long video. The first one is Qaimaq Chai. It is, for those of you who don't know about Qaimaq Chai, it is the tea. It's a green tea with milk and some cream and of course some sugar. And the color is pink. And I'm going to make a Qaimaq Chai Afghan style. I think Indians have also similar to this chai, and I think they call it pink tea or Kashmiri tea. But this one is Afghan style Qaimaq Chai. And the second video will be, or the second recipe will be Uzbaki bread. It's very similar to the regular bread, but a very small, round shape, tasty bread. And the third one is Turkish bagels. These bagels are topped with sesame seed, and they taste fabulous. Very close to bagels, but a little bit different, and it tastes really good. So if this is what you're interested in, please continue to watch, and I'll show you all 3 recipes step by step. Thank you for watching. Add green tea followed by whole cardamom. Add baking soda gradually, because if you put it all at once, the water will overflow and bubbles up on top. The pinkish color around tea leaves and around your pot is an indication of your chai ready for the next step, and you need to turn off your heat. By the way, you can add more water at this point. Just be the judge of it. If you need more water, you can do so, but it has to be boiling hot water and no more than a cup. Add ice into another clean pot. Start transferring your tea or your chai from one pot to another. Repeat this step several times. This step gives your tea a very beautiful pinkish color. This is the color that you're looking for. This almost looks like cranberry juice or pomegranate juice. Add sugar. I like to use powdered sugar because it dissolves very quickly, but regular sugar is fine as well, and you can put that with no problem. Hi, welcome back. We have all three recipes right here. We have our beautiful pink Qaimaq Chai, and it was very amazing, as you saw, that how the color changes from a green tea to a beautiful pinkish tea. And honestly, the taste is fabulous as well. And also we have our Turkish bagels, and they look fantastic as well. And we have our Uzbaki bread right here, and they look really attractive as well. So let me try this Qaimaq Chai with these with the bagels and the bread. And the reason why I did all three of them together, because normally when I make Qaimaq Chai, I make the Turkish bagel with bread, and all three go together very, very well, and it tastes really good. So let's try and see how they are. So the piece of bread, I'm gonna start with the Uzbaki bread. And a sip of Qaimaq Chai. Very delicious. The bread is chewy, it's soft in the inside. It is really, really good. And the Qaimaq Chai is not very sweet. It is really good, a little bit creamy. And by the way, you can, I used 2% milk, and you can either use whole milk or you can use low-fat milk as well. And here's our Turkish bread, Turkish bagel. Let me try. Very good. I like the sesame seed on top of this. It is really good. It gives it a little bit crunch as well, and it's really, really delicious. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed all three recipes. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, please comment down below. And if you like these recipes, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. Thank you so much for watching.